Hey Crazy Gamer fans, welcome back to another Crazy Gamer video. Today, unfortunately, we are stepping into the depths of heresy once more. We are going to be building my son, KidCrazy's DeathGuard, and actually he's going to be joining us today. Say hello to people, KidCrazy.
Hi.
Yeah, so he's going to talk about his guy we're going to build here. He's got this. Tell him about what this guy is.
This is a Mulga the Curdler. That's hard.
Yeah, he's a big fan of the Death Guard. So let's see
Did
here.
you know Nurgle has a very disgusting garden?
Yeah, I've read some research on Nurgle. It's pretty nasty. So,
I hate it.
yeah, I'm not a fan of the disgusting resilience, but Kid Crazy likes the Death Guard. So
Yeah.
here we are, committing heresy and building the Death Guard.
Yeah.
So what else? So what kind of weapons does this one we're building have?
This dude has a plague spewer, range of 9, type heavy d6, strength 5, AP -1, damage 1.
Is it one of them automatic hitting weapons?
It said you can re-roll this. You can re-roll 3 rolls of 1.
It doesn't say this weapon automatically hits after that.
Yep.
Okay, what you got a choice of heads here. He's got a choice of heads we could put on. We got this one right here. Which one of these heads do you want for this guy?
I like that one.
You like that one? Okay,
Yeah.
that's the one we're gonna put
Looks
in.
like you can't see. It's like, my eyes, where are
I'm
they?
gonna clean this up and put it in there. Find the tools.
Now for the robotic axe. It's melee, range melee, type melee, strength +1.
What does that make? What is his strength?
The dude's strength is 4.
So it'd be what, 5?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm on.
That's pretty good.
AP -2, damage 1. Oh yeah.
My toughness 3 AdMech if you wounded on 3s. Even on toughness 4, you wounded on 3s.
You can re-roll rolls of 1 for this weapon.
Yeah, the plague weapons are re-rollers of the ones.
And this dude has abilities.
What kind of abilities does he have?
Like Death of the False Emperor.
Yeah, I believe that if you roll a 6 fighting an Imperium, it counts as an extra hit, I believe.
Yeah. Crazy Gamer really hates this one. Disgusting Resilience.
Oh, what does that do?
If you roll a 6, your guy survives.
I believe it's a 5 or a 6, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a feel no pain. So after you take damage, you roll a 5 or a 6 on for each point of damage. You can negate that damage.
Yeah. It's really funny when you do it though. Like, oh man, my guy's gonna die. Hey, disgusting resilience works. Yay! All you guys are dead.
Yeah, it's especially nasty when you have like a Rust Stalker in combat with one of these, and you do enough damage to kill it, but it survives with disgusting resilience, and then it kills your champion fighter guy, and then you lose the game basically. Yeah, that's happened on a few occasions. Because a combat Rust Stalker has great combat, and as long as he can hit first, he does pretty good. But if they survive that, he doesn't take the damage well. Especially from I believe the fighter champion in this elite set has a flail of corruption, and that is up there.
You know, this guy still has more abilities.
What else does he have?
Yes, cataphractical armor.
Cataphractic armor.
I have no idea what
That
means.
is, I believe, when you advance, you have to have, it's a D3 instead of a D6. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I think that's what it is. You know what? You can correct me in the comments if you want.
And
That's fine.
the aura of rust.
And I believe that anybody around you gets 1 minus from their leadership.
Yes. Even I remember
So,
that.
yeah. So, you know, they're disgusting. And unfortunately, they're resilient.
Yes. And you learn.
Read off his stats. What kind of move does he have?
Sorry for the glare from the card.
That's okay, Donovan. Just or KidCrazy. Just what
I was trying to show you it, but
yeah, read off his stat line up there.
okay. Stats. Oh. He's a Blight Lord Gunner.
Yeah, what is his?
Move is 4.
A weapon skill. That's his melee,
Ah.
and then BS is his ballistic skill.
Which would be his ranged attack. Ba-ba-ba-ba-bang.
Yeah, what's his weapon skill again?
It's the same. It's 3+ and another 3+.
3+ on ballistic.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
And weapon skill. Strength is a 4. Toughness 5.
So wounds. How many wounds does he have?
Wounds 2.
That's
Yes.
pretty good.
Yes.
That's like a rust stalker now. 2 wounds to kill.
Oh yeah.
And this guy's got that plague spear. What's the range on this plague spear?
9.
9 inches. So a 9-inch plaguey flamer. That's it's gonna hurt. Hopefully we're gonna go play a game on Thursday in our local Warhammer League.
Yeah.
So we're getting this elite kill team. And if he's short on points, he can always throw in a Poxwalker.
Yeah. We have tons.
Plus, I believe there's a special thing that in the new Elites book that Poxwalkers can have that makes them even worse.
No, we actually had an idea to make an epoxy Poxwalker.
Yeah, we were gonna use some epoxy sculpt and mold a Poxwalker. Still may do it in the near future, but you know, currently not doing that. So this guy's coming together.
Is W wisdom?
No, that's his wounds.
I meant to say A.
A is his attack.
L-B.
How many attacks does he have?
2.
2 attacks. And what's his save?
His save is 2.
A 2+, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, what? Is there a reroll of 1s over here?
No. I'm sure there's some dirty trick to get reroll of 1s.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, no, that's on the weapon though.
Yeah,
So heavy D6, that's pretty good. Automatic hits. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Things under.
Okay, let us. We just have a couple more pieces we're gonna put on as bubonic axe now, as part 6. Bubonic axe. It's right there. Here, let me show this. If I've been off camera, I'm sorry about that. My reference window is super small. Alright.
Can you expand it?
No, it won't expand. The software is very good, but it just...
You can expand the window, but not the video.
Yeah, no, you can't expand the windows as big as it gets. But, alright, so it looks like it's got a little chain on that. That's a pretty cool looking axe. Alright, let's glue on this arm.
Now we're working on a army. Get it?
Yeah, an army.
And you computer turned off.
Uh-oh. Hold on 1 second, people.
That computer turned off.
Okay, we're just gonna glue on this arm, and then we have it under control here.
Now, wow, I thought that we should tell our viewers about our other videos. You know, like these are the only videos they have seen.
We have, you know, we talk about, we have videos about
Yeah.
electronics and stuff.
Like snap circuits
Uh-huh.
in the sky.
Well, we haven't started those videos yet, so.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's it for him. He just needs to go on a base. And that's going to be the it for this video. I'm the Crazy Gamer. You are
Little crazy.
KidCrazy. Y'all guys have a great day. Thank you.